What's up, guys? We're gonna make this short and sweet today. I know a lot of you have been having issues finding a Epson Workforce printer. I know the Eco tanks are out almost everywhere, but a lot of you have been able to find a 7710 or 7720. I just wanted to let you know that they are in stock right now. Maybe not by the time you watch this video, but right now I'll refresh the page just so you can see that I'm not lying to you here, and you can add it to cart and everything. So, well, you can only get one apparently. But yeah, you can see that you can add it to the cart and everything. So I mean, they do have them, and I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description where you can find it, the direct link. So if y'all don't have a printer and you're serious about sublimation, go ahead and pick one up. That way you can get it converted and everything. It's worth mentioning this is just a refurbished printer, but we're going to change out the ink. I don't know that we care about the warranty anyway. You're just going to switch the ink and basically, print it to the ground with sublimation anyway. So I don't know that you care about warranty. In addition, I had a video on exactly how to convert it, so I'll go ahead and put that up here too. That way you know exactly what you're getting into with this new printer and everything you'll need. I just wanted to keep you guys informed because, I want to take care of my YouTube subscribers first before I do anything on Twitter or post any Facebook groups. I want to take care of my people first. So I really appreciate it, guys. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.